Welcome back. In this video, we are exploring Inks Lake State Park, a great park for many adventures. Starting off, this is our campsite. This time we're glamping. This spot gave us access to restrooms, water, and close proximity to both our vehicle and the beautiful lake.
Alright everyone, we are finally got our tent set up and we're going to start with our hike of the day. So this is where we're currently camped out at right now. We're going to make down this trail here and then we're going to follow the lake and then we are going to hike basically around this entire trail, but we're aiming to get to this scenic point here. This is supposed to be basically the highest overlook of the entire park. Oh yeah, the overlook of the lake. We're going to go there and then we'll head back down and hopefully see you guys next when we are cooking dinner. After hiking up the hill, we were rewarded with breathtaking views of the lake below. The panoramic view was truly a sight to behold and made all of the hard work worth it.
So we just changed our outfits and we're gonna get ready to watch a movie. We brought our iPad and Ethan brought some snacks too.
There's like dried strawberries in there, some like Chex Mix Cheerios, and some like marshmallows, I think, or like dried yogurt, something. But we're gonna chill, watch a movie, and then go to bed. and then we will see you guys in the morning.
Waking up to a misty morning while camping can be a magical experience. The soft blanket of mist envelopes the campsite, creating a peaceful and serene atmosphere. The sound of birds chirping and the occasional rustling of leaves can be heard in the background as the mist slowly starts to clear.
And that concludes our adventure at Inks Lake Park. We hope you enjoyed the journey with us and learned a little bit about this beautiful place. If you're ever in the area, be sure to stop by and check it out for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have many more exciting adventures planned, and we would love for you to continue joining us. Until next time, happy exploring.